If you've ever wondered how to align in Gimp, this video is going to make it incredibly easy. Whether you're working with text, shapes, icons, or full images, aligning elements properly can instantly make your design look cleaner, more professional, and much more balanced. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the exact steps to use the Align tool in Gimp, choose the right reference object, and apply precise horizontal or vertical alignment in just a few clicks. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, you need to activate the Align tool. At the top of Gimp, open the Tools menu, then move down to Transform Tools and click Align. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Q to activate it faster. Once the tool is selected, the next step is choosing the layer or object you want to align. Click directly on the element on your canvas, whether that's a text layer, a shape, or an image. You should see small square handles appear around it, which tells you that the object is selected and ready to move. If you want to align more than one item at the same time, hold Shift and click each additional layer or object you want included. This is especially useful when you're arranging multiple design elements together. After that, you need to choose your reference object. This part is very important because it tells Gimp what your selected item should align against. In the Tool Options panel, look for the Relative to drop-down menu. If you choose Image, your object will align relative to the full canvas. If you choose Selection, it will align inside an active selection box. If you choose First Item, Gimp will align everything relative to the first layer you clicked. And if you choose Active Layer, the alignment will be based on the layer that is currently highlighted in your Layers panel. Picking the correct reference makes a huge difference, so take a second to choose the one that matches your goal. Now it's time to apply the alignment. In the Tool Options box, you'll see the Directional Alignment buttons. These let you move your object exactly where you want it. For horizontal positioning, you can choose Align Left, Align Center, or Align Right. For vertical positioning, you can choose Align Top, Align Middle, or Align Bottom. So, if you want something centered perfectly on the canvas, you'd usually set the reference to Image and then click the Center Alignment option for both horizontal and vertical placement. If you're aligning multiple objects to each other, you may use First Item or Active Layer instead, depending on the layout you're creating. The best part is that once you understand this workflow, aligning in Gimp becomes very fast and very repeatable. Instead of manually dragging elements around and guessing whether they're straight, you can use the Align tool to place everything precisely every time. That's especially helpful for thumbnails, banners, social media graphics, and any design where clean spacing matters. Let's do a quick recap. Open Tools. Go to Transform Tools and choose Align, or press Q. Click the object you want to move, or hold Shift to select multiple objects. Then go to Relative to and choose Image, Selection, First Item, or Active Layer, depending on what you want to align against. Finally, use the alignment buttons to place your element left, center, right, top, middle, or bottom. That's the whole process. Once you practice it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Gimp tutorials, beginner guides, and quick editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.